Today's going to be a video about the best online video editor if you don't have very much money. What's up everybody, it's Roman Grant here, back for another video. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, we're going to show you why InVideo is good if you don't have a lot of cash to throw around. It doesn't take very much money. It's got a free version for you. So you can use it for any project that you want, whether that be promoting your business, whether that be making some advertisements for a charity, or I'm trying to think. Well, let's see, whether that be just making like wedding invitations or birthday invitations. A lot of different things you can use just for personal use. Maybe you want to create some cool Instagram stories that are better than what the Instagram platform can currently do for you. And trust me, it's a lot easier than using the Instagram editor. So anyway, I'll show you that today. So it's going to be exciting. I hope you stay to the end. If you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how to get completely free video images, stock video images, royalty free. So stick around for that. So most video editors, well, all video editors are going to charge you a monthly fee to use it because they require a lot of updates, and that monthly fee can range anywhere from $20 to $40 a month, so it can get quite pricey. So luckily with InVideo, you can use it completely free for as long as you want. Only caveat to that is that it will, all of your videos when you export them will contain a watermark, but for most people that are just using it for personal use, that doesn't even matter. Okay, so I just wanted to jump in here and show you the different features that you have with the free version that no need to pay for. So you have multiple categories in the music section. Right here, you got all of these different types of music, so you can select any number of those. And so if you want to go to sad, then under each category, you have multiple recordings that you can use. So, and these are very easy to use. You just click over here. You can either, and they've actually updated this app, so now you can actually put multiple music tracks on one video. So there's that. Then also you have a bunch of different text elements, different sizes, different styles, multiple categories again, different social media callouts, word callouts, just location callouts, just pretty much anything you can imagine. You have stickers. Now these are all different things that you would have to spend your time looking for on the internet and to import into your video if you were using a normal video editor. So these are just things that InVideo gives you that you can use freely. So then also you got your video effects, your fireworks, different multiple categories here, so you can play around with these. These are going to enhance your video tenfold and make it look like the video was professionally edited. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I know I told you I was going to show you about the free stock footage, but I messed up. That's going to be in the next video. Don't worry, I got you covered on that. So for now, hit a like, put a comment, let me know what you think, and also hit that subscribe button, and I promise you there's going to be good content coming your way. So thanks again. I'll see you next time.